Howdy folks, Kirk and Jay here with Kirk Giordano Plastering. Today we're doing what a lot of people have when they buy a house, a building or so. What they have is they removed just some awnings and we're just going to remove the rest of them for the guy. But what they have here is what the residue is. Say for example, now they had a few things going on here. What we're going to do is we're going to remove some of this stuff here, excess caulking, and say like right here where they had tar to try to stop it from leaking, we're gonna remove some of that stuff, just like so. Get rid of it. Get rid of these nails, put some Stucco caulking in those holes, get rid of all this stuff, pressure wash it, and then put a bonding agent and put a new finish on it. I'll show you some other things that we're doing, guys. And normally, Jay and I weren't even going to video this, but the fella, he's out of town who purchased this, and he said, Kirk, I see you do a lot of video. Can you show me what you're doing to it? I thought, oh, you don't trust us, huh? You guys can depend on us for anything that you want done. This crack right here. Now, guys, if you're going to fill a crack, what you don't want to do is get some concrete or stucco and go over the crack, because that'll last about 6 months, maybe if you're lucky a year. But what you do is what we did. I just scraped it all off, guys. All this excess, there was a lot of excess stucco here, kind of like this right here. And you just scrape it off, guys. You scrape it off. Then once you scrape it off, you fill that crack with the polyurethane type of caulking. We were going to pressure wash that first, but we wanted to show you guys how we're doing this. We're going to, now that I removed all of the excess stucco, stucco on top won't do anything for a crack except delay the process of it continually moving. So once we put our polyurethane caulking in there, I'm going to use a Sikaflex. That particular area up there was leaking, so it followed the crack here. But now we're going to stop that permanently. We're going to fill it with caulking, put a bonding agent on here, re-skim it, match this texture. Similar things here. This patchwork was done by somebody who had an idea, but they weren't all that great. What we're going to do is pressure wash this off, put a bonding agent here. And as we go around this place, there are a few awnings that we're going to pull off and repair any damage that's under it. I don't want to take too much time showing you how to do each individual patch, so by the time we do this again, we'll show you how to do 1 or 2 patches, then we'll show you the whole thing, so what it looks like, and you get a better idea when you buy something that has a lot of different patches. How do you fix all those patches? All right, guys, I got a tip for you. It's kind of amusing. I remember when I had 12 guys for 25 years, I'd see them be hacking away. I hack sometimes like this, thinking, oh, I'm so strong. But here, guys, you see this broken trowel? I'd tell people, man, what you doing with my trowel, boy? This is a hammer. This is made for breaking stuff. A trowel's made for spreading. So if they could see me now, they'd say, uh-huh. I'll tell you what, guys. Earlier, it's a good thing we weren't doing any video, because we were pulling off a big awning over there and a spider fell on me, and Jay's like, Dad, you got a humongous spider on you. And I looked, ooh, I screamed like a wee baby because it was right here, and I thought, flicked it off, and I thought, man, that's a harmless spider. But anyway, what we're doing here is I'm pointing this out because this is a good thing to know. There's some of these nails, you pull them out, you can put a polyurethane caulking in that. I'll push them in. There's a header here. It's just a header. There's a header here. There's a header here. So push them in, then caulk around it, and stuff like this. I don't know what's under there, so I'm going to put that polyurethane caulking here, hit it, hit this with the bonding agent, re-skim it, match this finish. All right, guys, I'm doing the easy stuff. Madeline is floating right behind me. I'm just putting it on. And this is how we're going to fix all the patches. The blue stuff, that's the bonding agent. Let me get my foot in. Madeline is down all the way from Michigan. She does marine biology there, and said, Dad, I'm kind of bored. You got anything I can do? I said, oh, yeah, you can come with us to work. See, baby, you shouldn't be asking me that. Anyway, you see where we're going with this, guys. We're going to do all the patches just like that. And as she's feathering in the tops, it kind of looks just like this. It matches, this is a float finish, it matches the dash finish. This is a painted dash. What matches a painted dash? A new float. Anyway, my name is Kirk. Jason on the camera. Madeline, turn around and say hi to everybody, my baby. We thank you for watching, and as usual, we'll see you guys on the next one.
All right, folks, we want to thank you for watching how we do things in the stucco and plastering world. We really enjoy your questions and comments, so if there's anything you want to learn about that we can show you, please let us know in the comments. And as always, from the entire Giordano family, we'll see you on the next one.